Basic chagi techniques. Upchagi. Pull the kicking leg up, bent toward the chest. Then straighten the leg and extend forward. The movement of the foot should be in a straightened line toward the target. Strike the target with the front of the foot. With the toes bent, the targets are groin, abdomen, solar plexus, and shin. Rebound and pull back the foot after kicking and return to the original position. However, at times, the foot can be placed at a different place. 돌려차기. Put your weight on the pivot leg in front. Bend the knee of the kicking leg. Then, while turning the waist, straighten the leg and turn the foot horizontally and strike the target with the front of the foot. The supporting leg must have a knee locked so that the body will pivot easily and the kicking leg should stop at the target. 옆차기. As an upchagi, bend the knee and raise the leg. Turn in the opposite direction of the kick, turn body, and straighten the leg to strike the target with the foot, blade, or heel. At the moment of kick, turn the body as if the pelvis is falling. Then turn the head to look at the target. 거듭차기. This technique is to balance on the foot and repeat the same kicking technique more than once. Usually the first kick is a lower body kick, and the second targets the trunk or face. At times, the same target is struck consecutively. The first kick is used to fake out the opponent by acting out the kick, and the second is to completely overpower the opponent. 표적차기. Practice kicking by making a target with one hand and kicking with the blade or bottom of the foot. 두발 당송차기. Jump in the air and kick alternately with both feet. In this technique, kick with the back foot first, then the front foot. The back foot is used first, not for striking the target accurately, but to confuse the opponent, or used when kicking low. The front foot is used second to aim high or to accurately strike the target. 뒤 앞차기. Jump in the air and kick with one foot. Composite techniques of chagi. 뒤옆차기. 뒤옆차기 is a motion where the front leg is used to kick while the body is in the air. And the side 옆차기 is when a side kick is executed while the body is in the air.